Hi guys, my name is Elena, and welcome back to another AI tutorial video brought to you by Advertising is Simple. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an AI generated feature available in Adobe Firefly. We're going to take a look at the Generative Fill and Generative Expand tool. This allows you to add or remove objects in your image, along with expanding your image and seamlessly filling it with matching content. So let's dive in and do an example together. I have Adobe Firefly opened up in my browser and am now going to upload an image to work on. If you just want to play around with this feature in Adobe Firefly, they give you a bunch of samples to choose from that you can use. This is the image that I uploaded. All right, now we are going to select the background and type what you want to replace the background with. Let's do flowers in a garden. And now you have another image with flowers in the background. I'm gonna press keep. Now let's say you want to expand the image. We're gonna drag and expand to the left and drag and expand to the right. And you're gonna press generate. Now you have your expanded image. Press keep. Now let's say you want to change the flower that the butterfly is on. We are going to want to highlight that flower area and type a rose to replace the current flower. It has successfully generated the rose. You can see there's a couple other options you can choose from, but I like how this one turned out, so we'll keep it. Once you are happy with how your image turned out, you can now download it and save it. And that's a wrap. These were just a few of the ways you can transform your images using the Generative Fill and Generative Expand tool in Adobe Firefly. Stay tuned for our next month's video on trending AI marketing tools.